every 3 minutes, someone's in a crash in Louisiana. As parents, it's our responsibility to look at that and say, how can I best protect my child and keep them from becoming another statistic? And a child safety seat prevents that.
Sonic tries every day to be leaders in our communities. We learned many families in Louisiana simply can't afford to buy car seats for their children. Now what Sonic has done is we've created a tater tot calendar. Sonic takes all of the proceeds from the calendar sales and purchases car seats for families in need.
Each section of the state will receive free seats for children in need. And one of our certified child passenger safety technicians is going to make sure that that seat is installed properly in your vehicle. We couldn't do this without Sonic's partnership.